Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pot roast in the oven. First, select a 3 to 5 pound chuck roast, which is ideal for slow cooking. Pat it completely dry with paper towels, then season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat a Dutch oven over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Sear the roast on all sides until it develops a deep, rich brown crust. This crucial step locks in incredible flavor. After searing, remove the roast and add chopped aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions to the pot. Sauté them for about 5 minutes until they soften slightly. Next, pour in 2 cups of rich beef broth or a dry red wine to deglaze the pot, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits. Finally, tuck in a couple of bay leaves and a few sprigs of fresh thyme for an extra layer of deliciousness. Now, place the seared roast back into the Dutch oven with the vegetables and liquid. Ensure the lid is on tightly to trap all the moisture and flavor. Transfer the pot to a preheated oven set at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it slow roast for approximately 3 to 4 hours. The goal is for the meat to become incredibly tender, easily shredding with a fork. Once your pot roast is perfectly tender, carefully remove the Dutch oven from the oven. It's crucial to let the roast rest, covered, for at least 15 minutes before slicing or shredding. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful result. Then, slice or shred the succulent meat against the grain. Serve it generously with the rich pan juices and your favorite comforting side dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.